Pretty unusual truck here today that rolled in. This is a 5500 series full-wheel drive Kodiak or Topkick, whatever you'd like to call it. Rollback with a Kylar bed, alloy wheels, 6 brand new tires. The tires on it were good, but they were not great. Had a little bit of dry rot. And the reason for that is this truck only has 50,000 miles. Title and documents are proper, documenting the mileage. So we went ahead and put 6 Dynatracks on it, polished up the alloys. Currently have it sitting waiting for service and inspection, which should get done today. This truck is 4x4, very unusual. It does have some additional strobe lights that have been added to it, as well as a big old beacon bar up on the top, aluminum bed, so at least you know the bed supports aren't rusty, and it's not all tore up like most aluminum beds. This truck's had a pretty light use. You can see the interior is in good shape. Let's see if we got the right key here. Just tripped 50,000 miles. Code 3 light switch system. Does have power windows, power door locks, air ride seat. 6.6 Duramax, runs great, LED headlights. Pretty solid truck overall. Wheel lift. We'll be greasing everything when we do it. If you have any questions on this truck, feel free to give us a call, 804-357-9768 or 804-271-0030. You can check our website anytime, Davis4x4.com. That's Davis4x4.com. Our main specialty is medium duty and heavy duty trucks, rollbacks, wreckers. Currently have a few different ones in stock. If you have any questions, again, feel free to give us a call, 804-271-0030. Davis Auto Sales.